Welcome to this tutorial on virtual agarose gel electrophoresis simulation in Photo51. Today we will guide you through creating a virtual gel to visualize the bands from your PCR or restriction digest. Start by opening a file in Photo51. Then navigate to the Tools menu in the upper toolbar. Select the Virtual Gel icon and the modal box will open. Start by selecting the percentage of agarose gel you will use by clicking the Agarose Percentage box and selecting the desired percentage. The percentage of agarose in a gel controls its pore size, which determines how DNA fragments migrate during electrophoresis. Lower concentrations resolve larger fragments, while higher concentrations are better for smaller fragments. Then you can select the DNA ladder that you are planning to use. Most major providers are included. If you have recently used a ladder, you can select it again under Recent Ladders. Once the agarose percentage and the ladder have been chosen, you can now add as many lanes as desired by clicking the Add button. Now it's time to fill our gel lanes. Click Select next to the lane number. You can choose to add a file for restriction digestion or PCR. After having selected a file for restriction digestion, the Digest box will be displayed on the left side, and I can select the desired restriction enzyme. Once selected, the expected band will be displayed on the virtual gel. You can hover over each band to display the size of the fragment and which enzymes were used. For visualizing PCR, click Select and choose PCR, then select a file. Once the file is selected, you can choose primers that have already been created by searching them. Alternatively, you can create primers by selecting a feature or a region in your plasmid and clicking Create Primers from Selection. This will automatically generate primers and display the amplified fragment position on the gel. If you would like to visualize what the gel would look like with longer electrophoresis runtime, you can use the slider next to the gel called Runtime. Move this up and down to increase the band distance. Once you are satisfied with your gel, you can save it to your library, or you can directly export the file to an image or PDF. You've now completed creating a virtual gel electrophoresis simulation in Photo51. Thank you for watching. Check out our other tutorial and subscribe to stay up to date.